Let's see what kind of story this cooking pot has to tell.
Oh my gosh, Monto.
It's kind of like the alien.
Look at the
I get
cat.
scared of it.
I know.
Look at that man's glass.
Look at that glass.
What doesn't glow?
Yeah. Is it gonna fit in there? Yikes. Oh, that wasn't too hard, was it?
We have been using RFID technology for decades to retrieve memories from the past. We thank Chef Martin Yan and his wife for their generous donation to UCD. I would love to make personalized cookbooks, hats, and aprons.
It is so huge. It costs you $30 in any fine dining Chinese restaurant. You can do it for $365. Look at that. Huh? Look at that. Take a shot. It's steaming. And then, that's the reason why it's so wonderful to have an intelligent kitchen. That's why we call it a higher smart kitchen, higher intelligent smart refrigerator.